Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging. Catch misspelled variable and function names. The console.log and type of method are the two primary ways to check intermediate values and types of program output. Now it's time to get the common forms that bugs take. One syntax level issue that fast typers can commiserate with is the humble spelling error. Transposed, missing, or miscapitalized character in a variable or function name will have the browser looking for an object that doesn't exist and complain in the form of reference error. JavaScript variable and functions name are case sensitive. So, if instead of capital or instead of uppercase there is lowercase, or instead of lowercase there is uppercase, then they will not match. Task for this challenge: fix the two spelling errors in the code so the networking capital calculation works. Okay, receivables, payables. So in this case, this should be this one, and REC receivables. Two spelling errors. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.